Hi you guys, it's Camila and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am giving you the 411 on Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel, as well as a little mini review on my experience with the product. But before I do that, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you never miss an update. Before I get into my personal experience with Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel, I want to give you a little bit of information on this product so that you know exactly what it is that I'm talking about. So I know that the word peel can be very scary to a lot of people, particularly if you have sensitive skin, but Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel is not going to be one of those traditional peels where your skin is flaking off. It's basically a nighttime treatment that you put on before you go to bed, and then you wake up the next morning with glowing, firmer, smoother skin. I used to work in the skincare industry, and so I am a total ingredient junkie. And the two main ingredients in here that help exfoliate the skin are AHAs and BHAs, which stand for alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. And anytime you're looking for an exfoliating or resurfacing product, you want to make sure that they have both AHAs and BHAs in them. AHAs and BHAs are responsible for exfoliating the top layer of your skin and sloughing away those dead skin cells. Dead skin cells can contribute to dullness, bumpiness, and also congestion, which, as you can see right here, basically leads to breakouts. But for me, what actually makes this Beautycounter Overnight Resurfacing Peel different from other resurfacing products is that it contains fatty acids to work in sort of a two-pronged way onto your skin. So the AHAs and BHAs do the heavy lifting for the exfoliating so that you can get that nice smooth skin, and then the fatty acids come in after to soothe that skin so that there's no irritation. To use Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel, you're going to apply it onto dry, cleansed skin. So you use it at night, after cleansing, and right before your moisturizer. You just take 2 pumps, and you can see it is a white formula that's not too thick or too heavy. It kind of just feels like a nice serum. And then you're going to apply it all over your face and your neck, you want to exfoliate your neck. Now I have some breakouts right here, so I'm feeling a little bit of tingliness. You might feel it in your skin. That's totally normal. And make sure when you're putting this product, or really any skincare product on your skin, that you always go up to defy gravity. After you apply the Overnight Resurfacing Peel, then you're going to put your moisturizer on over it, and your moisturizer is just going to help lock in that hydration along with those fatty acids as the product gets to work while you sleep. So as far as my personal experience with Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel, I really like it. I have tried a handful of different nighttime serums that are made for resurfacing and exfoliating, and I've consistently found that with those products, they can tend to be drying. And when I use this Overnight Resurfacing Peel, I actually don't have that problem at all. If anything, I wake up the next morning and my skin looks and feels hydrated and glowy. And that's the first time that that's ever happened with a product that I use overnight that has AHAs and BHAs in it. I really think that it's the addition of those fatty acids in the product that helps soothe the skin and work in conjunction with your moisturizer so that you don't wake up with dried out skin the next morning. I have been using Overnight Resurfacing Peel for roughly 2 weeks, almost every single day, and I really like it. I feel like in general, my skin just seems less dull than it was before. The Overnight Resurfacing Peel from Beautycounter is suitable for all skin types, but I quickly wanted to talk about how it's been reacting with my breakouts and my acne. Now, obviously my experience here is not going to be the same for anyone, and if you have any questions, please consult a dermatologist. But for me, I've had a good experience with this product on my breakouts. this whole area used to be completely broken out. So normally for me, when I'm getting over a breakout, I tend to get dark spots as the breakout is subsiding. But I have found that over the course of the 2 weeks with this area healing up, that my acne spots are actually very, very minimal, if any at all. So, I mean, this was a really, really bad breakout area. And I can tell you that like, there was acne right here and you can't even see it. After using Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel for about 2 weeks, I can definitely say that my skin has gone from dull to glowy, and it's just in general a lot smoother than it was prior to using this. So I am definitely keeping this in my nighttime skincare routine. I really think that those fatty acids are what do it for me and are the game changer for my skin, because I have used so many other resurfacing peels with AHAs and BHAs in them, and I have never once woken up thinking, oh, my skin feels very hydrated after using that. And I felt that with this. So that's it, my review and 411 on Beautycounter's Overnight Resurfacing Peel. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss an update. Bye!